In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money with Facebook monetization, but this time I'm getting more nitty gritty with it because I've already made videos in the past about how Facebook monetization works, like this video that got 13,000 views already, or this one that's at 70,000 views. But today, not only am I going to show you how to get monetized on Facebook and how much money I've actually made with it, but I'm going to be showing you some in-depth statistics from specific reels that I posted on Facebook to show you the factors that can really change how much money you earn from a video that you post. And make sure you stay till that point because I'm not going to lie to you, the results are really surprising. I had a video with 300k views make more money than a video with 2.5 million. And so I'm going to show you how that's done. But anyways, let's get right into it. Okay, so first things first is to explain how Facebook works as a platform and how it's something that you can actually use as a creator to make money. Now, the way it works is that when you go on Meta, you can start scrolling and you're going to start getting videos, pictures, and all these different things on your feed. It's honestly kind of like the YouTube Shorts feed, except it works in other things like pictures and sometimes even text posts. And on this feed, every once in a while, there's going to be some ads like this one, which is a sponsored post. And if I keep scrolling, surely I'll get another sponsored post sooner or later, this time from Chase Bank. And every time Facebook allows a sponsored post like this, they make money. And if you're one of the creators that's contributing to keeping people on the app, you can make a share of this ad revenue for the views that you're getting on your videos. So presumably at this point, you already have an Instagram or a TikTok or a YouTube setup, and you probably already have some followers on there and post some content. In my case, I have 500,000 followers on Instagram, and I had a whole load of content on my Instagram that I was like, let me get all of this on Facebook. So let me show you how you can actually start taking the content that you have and starting to post it to Facebook, and how you actually properly set up a Facebook account that you're going to post your videos to. So firstly, you have to set up what's called a Facebook page. Now, the way that you do this is you go to your main account on Facebook. This is the account with your actual government name that you created, and then you click on See All Profiles, and if you scroll down, you'll see there's a little button right here called Create, and you can use this to create a new profile. When you create a new profile, Facebook calls this a page, and this is what you use if you're a content creator or a business, instead of just you, the person, who's going to add all their old friends from high school on Facebook. So you could type in the name of your page like Bennett or Fly Juggler. And then I could just choose my category, which is something along entertainment. Let's just do entertainment website. And then you could just go boom, create page. I already have the page that I need, so I don't need to create it. But once you've created your page, then you can go to your page by just clicking on your profile up here and then clicking here. And then you could go to your account right here and then just start posting stuff. So I could literally upload a reel, or I could go ahead and upload a photo or video like this, or even just type something if I wanted. I'm not going to right now, but you could do that. So the standard thing that people do here is they just take the videos that they've already uploaded to Instagram, they download them, and then just every day they start uploading these videos to Facebook by going on the Reels tab, clicking Reels, uploading the video, and then just uploading it. But there's two approaches that are actually better than this, in my opinion. The first one is that when you upload any new videos, you can use Instagram as your main platform, and there's a setting on Instagram that allows you to upload the video automatically to Facebook and Threads. So what I personally found worked for me is I would post my videos on Instagram as trial reels and then have those automatically upload to Facebook. And that's for some reason what initially gave me my push on Facebook. I think trial reels is just super overpowered. So yeah, I would definitely recommend using it. But that solution only works for new videos that you're going to post on Instagram. For all the old videos that you already have on Instagram or whatever your other main platform is, I recommend just using Repurpose to get those videos up on other platforms. So Repurpose is 100% free to start. I'll leave it in the description, but just to show you what I'm talking about here, you can just log in, and then all you have to do is set up an automation by clicking on Create Workflow right here. And then you could set up an automation that starts reposting your existing content on a schedule. So for example, I could take all the content that I've already posted to my Instagram account, which is this one right here, Bennett Santora, and then start auto scheduling those posts to Facebook on my Fly Juggler account, which is this one right here. And if I clicked on continue, then I could just say that I want to post to Facebook 3 times a day. I could just click enable automation right here. And as you can see, the automation has been activated, and all the videos that I have previously posted on Instagram are now scheduled to go up on Facebook automatically, and I don't have to do any of the work. So if you haven't touched Facebook before, this is how you can grow automatically by having all your videos repost. And I actually don't need this workflow since I already have the one I need created right here. So I'm just going to delete this one for now, but you can use this across all platforms. And as you can see, Instagram is just my main platform, and I have Repurpose automatically reposting to everything, including niche platforms like Pinterest, by the way, which I've actually been able to make sales on my products from. So I definitely recommend you just use Repurpose to post to everywhere, because you may as well when you could make extra money from it. So that's how that works. And the question that most people would ask from here is, well, how do I actually get monetized now that I'm posting my content regularly? All you have to do is go to your page right here, click on dashboard, and then click on monetization, and then just go under content monetization, and you'll see that you made $453. Facebook is actually one of the worst platforms when it comes to making money because they never tell you what you need to do to get in. So if you're looking at content monetization right now, it'll probably say something like apply here, or like this program is invite only or something. And the reason that it shows that is because there's no threshold that once you hit, you automatically get in. It just basically lets you in when they just decide to accept you. So you got to just keep posting content, and then eventually they'll just accept you into the monetization program. This sucks, but this is how Facebook's program works. In my case, it took me getting around 100,000 followers before I was randomly let in, which took me around 3 or 4 months to actually get to. One day, out of the blue, you'll finally just get accepted, and then you can die happy because that's the only thing that ever matters, whether you're monetized on Facebook or not. So finally, to end off this video, I want to show you guys how much money I've made based off the views I've gotten so far, and the exact best strategies that you can use to maximize how much money you make per view, because not all views are created equal. And I want to give you a case in point example of that, because if I go to my content, I can sort by how much money the videos that I've posted in the last month have earned. And I want to sample 2 separate videos, this one that got 388,000 views and this one that got 2.5 million views. But check out the difference in earnings here. The one with 388,000 views made $160 so far, but the one with 2.5 million only made $60. So what actually happened here? Well, there's a couple things that Facebook looks at when they determine how much money you should make per 1,000 views that you got on the video that you posted. The first thing is, how long was the video? This video that I posted that made way more money had an average watch time of 40 seconds. That's because the video that I posted was 1 minute and 10 seconds. Compare that to this other short video, which was only 30 seconds long and only had an average watch time of 14 seconds. This is one of the first things that led to this video making less money per 1,000 views that I actually got on it. The second thing is that the countries that view your content actually matter. This video that was longer had me speaking in English, so it ended up getting a way higher percentage of people who viewed it from the United States. You can see here it was 58.7% viewing my video from the US. Compare this to the other video that I made, which was a non-talking video, so people from pretty much any country could understand it, and the US only made up 10.5% of the total country makeup, whereas Italy, India, United Kingdom, Germany, and Poland also made up a lot of the viewership. And when not as many of your views are from higher advertising revenue countries, you're just not going to make as much money per 1,000 views that you get. Now, in this case, a lot of the views that I got on this video didn't even qualify. I don't know Facebook's complete explanation here. I don't know if this is just glitched or what happened, but it said that a large percentage of people didn't view for long enough to even qualify it for monetization. But this doesn't seem to make sense, because at the 5-second mark, I still had 75.6% of people watching. So 75% of 2.5 million is not 191,000. But yeah. So with that being said, that covers everything from how Facebook monetization works all the way to how to actually maximize your specific earnings. Make sure you're making videos on the longer side, and make sure you're making videos targeting people from high revenue countries like the United States. And I'll be making more videos showing exactly how much money Facebook pays, since this is a pretty gatekept platform, and I do want to transparently reveal all the information about how this works. That's actually my mission, by the way, bringing transparency to the Make Money Online space. So if you think I did a good job on that today, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe. And if you want, you can even join our 25,000 person community on Discord, which is actually crazy that it's grown this big, but the link to that will be in the description, and of course it's 100% free. As always, thank you guys all so much for watching. I'll catch you all in the next video, and peace.